morning, class. Teacher James here. Wednesday, 1 April 2020, and today we are having our online lesson number 2, working in Learning Zone, Unit 5, CLIL, Writing Instructions, in our student book, page 65, and later in our workbook, page 65. Let's begin. CLIL, Writing Instructions, Student Book, page 65, Writing Instructions. We use writing instructions to tell people how to make, use, and repair things. Good instructions help people do things quickly and successfully. Instructions have to be clear, simple, and easy to follow. Class, I am now going to read the text. Please read along with me. Writing instructions. You can use writing to tell people how to make, use, and repair things. Good instructions should help someone to do something quickly and successfully. Instructions have to be clear, simple, and easy to follow. When you write instructions, think about a title that shows what the instructions are about, an introduction that explains what the reader is going to do, who is going to read and use your instructions. Outline the equipment and ingredients that are needed at the beginning so the reader is prepared before they start to follow the instructions. List any warnings or dangers so the reader knows when to be careful. When you are writing the instructions, picture yourself doing each step. Think of everything a reader needs to know to do something correctly and in the right order. Follow these guidelines. Use action words. Start each step with an imperative verb that tells the reader to do something. Use the active voice. Use short sentences. Give direct and simple directions. Number the steps. Use time words like first, then, next. Use short, clear headings if you need to separate the instructions into different parts. Use diagrams and illustrations to help make things clearer. Choose one of these topics or another that you prefer: how to play your favorite game, how to make a delicious sandwich, how to pack your school bag. Give your instructions to somebody to test them. Watch them as they follow them. Ask them to tell you what wasn't clear and how you can improve. Now, class, we cannot do the exercise because, obviously, we are all in our homes. But there are a few things to remember, so let me go over them. Always include a title, always have an introduction, and always show who should be reading the instructions. And some writing guidelines. 1. Start each step with a verb. 2. Use active voice. And just to refresh, the sequence for active voice is subject, verb, direct, object. Johnny hit the ball. Passive voice, on the other hand, eliminates the subject. Example, the ball is hit. There is no subject. We don't know who hit the ball. At any rate, active voice is the sentence structure that we want to use. 3, use short sentences. 4, number the steps. 5, use short, clear headings to show different parts. And finally, 6, use diagrams to make things clearer. Okay, let's move on to our workbooks. Class, we are now going to do some exercises in our workbook, so please turn to page 65 and complete exercises 1 and 2. Once you have completed the exercises, please send them to me on our class page so that I can see them and check them. We have no homework assignment for tonight. And class, let me say, I just realized I made a mistake in the design. At the top of page 4, this page, it says synonyms, which was yesterday's lesson. I am not going to redo the entire lesson for this mistake, but obviously it should not say synonyms, it should say writing instructions. Goodbye for now, class. I will see you soon.